Moving on to Pioneer Foods Limited, which manufactures a wide range of cereals and juice products. Byron?
It has a market cap of 41.5 billion rand, a PE ratio of 31, and a dividend yield of 1.25%. Now, this has been a CEO story. You know, Phil Roux took over this business, pushed out the chicken side, pushed out a few other businesses, focused on brands and the core business. And look at that PE, and look. I mean, the share price has done fantastically well.
Let's get that share price you allude to it, so let's get it up on the screen. There we go.
It was a lagger. 4 or 5 years back, there was Competition Commission problems on the bread side, etc. Still about 51% revenue from the Sasco side and on the maize side of business. So that's still a big chunk, but certainly they're getting it right. And the rumours are that Phil Roux has structured it correctly. We know that. We can see it in the numbers over the last year or two. Going forward, I think it's going to be a bit more difficult, but they certainly are going to go maybe from low margin products and pushing into more higher margin products down the line. And that's why I think the market are still very optimistic on this one. A 41p. For value investors, it's a bit pricey.
Exactly. At 41 PE for value investors, it's more than a little pricey, Byron.
I think, you know, the last time that this stock was discussed on Hot Stocks, the question was where to from now. And then after that, they made a small acquisition in Nigeria, a company called Butterfields that manufactures sausage rolls and pies and stuff. So I think that's the next step. You know, they've probably learned from Tiger Brands' lesson. Maybe don't go too big. You know, suss it out first and see how it goes. So I think it was 60 million rand acquisition, or maybe even less, 6 million. And that's the way they're going to go about it also, because they manufacture everything here and then they send it off into Africa, and that's hard work.
Anything to add? I mean, this is looking as though it has shot the lights out. Can it shoot any further?
Yeah, look, I'm getting a bit skeptical on that specific price, but the market's certainly not at the moment. So who knows? They still got the Quantum Foods. The Quantum Foods we think is very cheap. That used to be about 17% of business. They still got their shareholding there. You got about 17% in cereals and the beverages and stuff. You've got the Wellington brands in there, the chutneys.
So it's about
the big
backing
Sasco
high margin stuff.
And that's good, high margin
backing
stuff.
the momentum here then.
Yeah, I agree that it's a quality business, and I don't often say this because I'm not too price sensitive, but in this instance it's just a bit expensive for me.
Hot or not?
Yeah, it's too pricey for us. I'm going to go not hot.
Not hot? Byron?
Not hot.